Hey guys, I wanted to share 2 quick tips if you're changing your own oil on a 5th gen 4Runner. When you take that drain plug off, make sure that you are finding the crush washer and replacing it. When I took the drain plug off, I did not see the crush washer, so I thought it was fused to the pan, when indeed it was actually fused to the bolt. I figured it would just pull right off, and it did not. I had to take a thin screwdriver and place it in between the head of the bolt and the washer and pry it off. Then I realized that the blue face actually wore off and it was metal. I thought it was part of the bolt, but indeed it is the crush washer. So make sure you take that crush washer off, you find it before putting the drain plug back in, and replace it with a new crush washer. Here's tip number 2. The oil filter housing needs an O-ring. I've seen people put it here, here, and here. Which spot do you think is the right one? This O-ring is in the correct position. It does not go in the lower spot or the one above it. I've actually had people watch my oil change video and told me that I put it in the wrong spot, but this is correct. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I have a lot of videos like this and a lot more to come. See you in the next one.